Hello everyone, this is Anupama from Maharaja College of Pharmacy studying B.Pharmacy third year. Today I am here to present a seminar on the topic of facial laser resurfacing. Introduction. Laser resurfacing is a treatment to reduce the facial wrinkles and skin irregularities such as blemishes or acne scars. The technique direct short, concentrated, pulsating beams of light at irregular skin, precisely removing skin layer by layer. Laser resurfacing, it is a treatment which reduces the wrinkles, blemishes or acne scars which are present on the face or any skin irregularities. In this technique, they use a direct short concentrated beams of light where the skin irregularities are present by removing skin layer by layer. It also uses high energy plus dense scan lasers. In this technique, they use a high energy plus dense scan lasers. Dr. Goldman has been called father of laser in medicine and surgery. Dr. Goldman, he is called father of laser in medicine and surgery. How does laser skin resurfacing work? The word laser is an acronym that stands for light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. For this reason, a laser is not just an instrument but also a physical process of amplification. Laser, light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. Light amplifies by the stimulated emission of radiation. It is not just an instrument, it is a physical process of amplification. It contains four primary components. One, laser medium, second one, optical cavity or resonator, third one, power supply or pump, fourth one, delivery system. Laser medium, it may be solid, liquid or gas. Solid, ruby medium, liquid, rhabdomine dye, gas, helium, neon or argon. Optical cavity or resonator, it presents surrounds the laser medium and enhances the amplification process. Power supply or pump, which excites the atoms and creates inversion, means it excites the atom by the help of the power, and this excited atom move from low energy orbit to the high energy orbit around the atom nucleus. At this state they are in normal state and they emit the photons. These photons are all in same wavelength. Photon means the light which is emitted by these atoms which deliver to the target by the delivery system. And the fourth one, delivery system, deliver the light to the target and by means of a fiber optic or articulating arm with the mirror joints. Types of laser resurface. Laser resurfacing is a procedure that uses a laser to improve the appearance of a skin or treat minor facial flaws by removing layers of skin. Laser resurfacing, it not only removes the wrinkles, acne, scars on the face, it also improves the appearance of the skin. The two most common types of laser resurfacing are carbon dioxide and erbium. Carbon dioxide, it is the gold standard method against all facial resonating systems, and in this this type of laser is used to treat wrinkles, scars, warts and other conditions. In this they use it to treat wrinkles, scars, warts and other conditions. Side effects are tenderness, redness, scars, etc. Erbium, this type of laser is used to remove the superficial and moderately deep lines and wrinkles on the face, hand, neck and chest. In this they use the superficially and deep, moderately deep and wrinkles on the face, hands, neck and chest. Means it not only superficially but also deeply it removes the wrinkles on the face, not only on the face but also in the hands, necks and chest. It causes fewer side effects than CO2 lasers. Conclusion. Although skin resurfacing cannot produce perfect skin, it can improve the appearance of our skin. Laser skin resurfacing cannot produce perfect skin, but it improves the appearance of your skin. It have some potential risk of the procedure include burn or other injuries from the laser heat, scarring, change in the skin pigmentation including areas of darker or lighter skin, reactivating herpes, cold sores, bacterial infection, melia, which are small white burns, may appear in the laser treated areas during healing. All these are the side effects or some injuries which may occur during lasers treatment. It can be recovered within the week by the consulting doctor who treated these laser treatment. Until recently, the only option to treat these damaged skin are chemical peels and derm abrasion. In derm abrasion, the surgeon uses a wire brush and diamond wheel with rough edges. They remove the surface layer of the skin. This process wounds the skin and causes it to bleed. After healing, the new skin grows over this area and the damaged skin removed. Have many side effects. In order to improve or to rectify this problem, laser skin resurfacing has been invented by the Dr. Goldman and found 50% improvement in this laser skin resurfacing technique. Thank you.